And on the other hand, one of our honorable MLA belongs to your group, who is also a journalist, and he has become MLA, so he is a very good friend. You can use his hands also. So today we are going to elaborate our stand in Hrangkhawl and Koktwma. And you all know that the election is going to take place on 5th of this month. So as we have already declared earlier from the right inception of the idea of by-election, our party stand was that we will be staying away because we don't have candidate there, and we thought that we will be fighting for the right and for the development of our people, and especially Tipra Motha is committed to its original demand of triple land. So we are trying to sell the idea to others also so that they can also support us. And we being regional party, so we thought to stay away from the by-election there. Now the questions come that whether we support any of the national party and their candidates. Now our final stand likely will be announced on 3rd, and our honorable opposition leader, Jorani, is the chairman of the committee to conduct from the beginning to the end of these 4 by-election constituencies. So we will be taking all these issues at a great time. So today, as a president, I like to inform each one of you that we don't like to make any confusion of our stand. And I will welcome some technical questions, not again and again, and you have to have your specific questions, and if the same cannot be repeated, but if you have some new question, you are welcome. And as we will be giving our final idea to our supporters today, we will be trying to tell them, because we don't have candidate in both the assembly constituency. So we will be pleased that they exercise their franchise there according to their own will. In the beginning, we have some ideas sharing with the opposition parties like Congress and CPM. It is a fact. And we say that we will be open to that truly, because all demand has to come from the BJP at the center also. So it's not secret, it's open. So we thought now, because our supporters, our voters, they are very committed only to our candidates, and they are not ready to vote any other party, just to have their faith and their satisfaction so that they can exercise. Now, our stand is that whosoever is looking after our demand, it is only possible if national parties are interested to attend our demands. Now, as of today, BJP is at the center and at the state also. We thought to bargain, and we have been bargaining and demanding our demands, and they expressed their desire to work it out. And we have been waiting for a few months already, and we don't see any kind of goodwill from their end. So as of today, we thought that we will be speaking to our supporters. We don't have candidates, so you are at liberty to cast your variable vote wherever you like. Now this is our state. Now whether you have any specific question on this issue.
তাহলে কি আপনি যে বিষয়টা নিয়ে কথা বলছেন যে এবং বিজেপি আপনাদের সাথে সেটা নিয়ে কথা বলেছে, এটাই কি একমাত্র কারণ যে আপনারা ধনপুর এবং বক্সনগর নির্বাচনে কাউকে সাপোর্ট করতে চাইছেন না, বা বিরোধীদের সাপোর্টে তাদের পাশে একেবারে সরাসরি দাঁড়াতে চাইছেন না?
কারণ এখানে তো খালি বিজেপি না, সিপিএম আছে, কংগ্রেস আছে, এটা আপনারা ওই লাইনে নেওয়া ঠিকই আছে আপনাদের প্রশ্ন, কিন্তু এখানে তার ন্যাশনাল পার্টি হলে তো আমরা তো উভয় পার্টিরই নেই, শত্রু তো আমরা, শত্রু মানে ডেমোক্রেটিক শত্রু। কাজে উই আর সেইং টু বোথ দ্য পার্টিজ। আমরা তো কোনো পার্টিকে বেশি ফেভার করবো না, এখন কোনো প্রশ্ন আসতেছে না।
আরও একটা জিনিস